Is your Samsung phone getting slow or draining battery quickly? Today, I'll show you how to use Auto Optimization in Device Care to keep your phone running smoothly, automatically. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now scroll down and tap on Device Care. Here, scroll down and tap on Auto Optimization. Tap on Auto Restart. Tap on Restart when needed. Turn it on. Your phone will automatically restart if it needs to fix issues like lag, memory problems, or background glitches. Now, tap on Restart on schedule. Choose the days and time, for example, at night when you're not using your phone. Your phone will restart automatically at that time to stay smooth and bug-free. Now, choose the time, for example, 3 a.m. when you don't use your phone. You can also pick which days of the week it should restart. And that's it! Your Samsung will now restart, on schedule at the time you set, keeping it smooth and fresh every day.